Okay, so this question said, write the following expression as a single fraction in terms of t. So it just literally wants us to simplify this into one fraction, and t is going to be a variable in the answer. Okay, so that is fine. The first thing I need to do, if I want to write anything as a single fraction, is I need to get my common denominator. Okay, so at the moment, I have 2t plus 1 as one of my denominators, and then I have 12t as the other denominator. So how do I find my common denominator? Okay, well here there's nothing really that they have in common. So my new denominator, my lowest common denominator, is just going to be 2t plus 1 times 12t. Okay, so this here is going to be multiplying by 12t, and this here is going to have to multiply by 2t plus 1. Okay, now if I multiply the bottom of a fraction by something, I have to multiply the top of the fraction by that same thing. So this is going to have to multiply by 2t plus 1. Okay, now that I have a common denominator, I can actually merge the top lines into one on top of that common denominator. Okay, so it's 2t plus 1 by 12t. Okay, I don't multiply out the denominator, just leave the denominator as it is, but I am going to multiply out the numerators. So I have 4 by 12t, which is going to give me 48t. And I have then minus, and then all this. Okay, so remember it's a big minus, which means it's going to actually have to act on each part of what I end up with in the numerator. So I'm going to write out my answer as I simplify the numerator in brackets so that I remember to have the minus act on each part. Okay, so it's a 7 by a 2t, which is going to give me 14t. Okay, and that is going to have the minus act on it, and then the 7 by plus 1, which is going to give me plus 7. And again, that is going to have the big minus from outside the fraction here act on it. Okay, so what I'm going to end up with is 48t minus 14t minus 7 all over my common denominator, 2t plus 1 times 12t. Okay, simplify if you can. Here we can do 48t minus 14t so that I get 34t. Okay, the minus 7 isn't going to simplify with anything. And then just write down my common denominator once more. So it's 2t plus 1 times 12t. And that's it done.